Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we're going to make cornbread. So you're gonna need 4 eggs, you're gonna need 1 cup of sugar, you're gonna need your vanilla essence, you're gonna need your half a cup of oil or brahma or butter, the one you choose, and then you're gonna need 1 cup of milk, you're gonna need 1 cup of corn flour, and then you're gonna need 1 cup of wheat flour, and of course 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So let's get started. So we have our 4 eggs here. Now we're gonna add in our sugar inside, and then our vanilla essence. So guys, now you're going to add our oil. We're going to add everything together, and then our 1 cup of milk, and then our corn flour, 1 cup of corn flour. Oops. And then we're going to add in our wheat flour, 1 cup, and lastly our baking powder, 1 teaspoon. So you have to mix it well. So guys, now we're going to put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. So see you later. Here we go guys, now we're going to put it in the oven. I don't have the rectangle one, so I'm going to use this chapter. Corn flour cake. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and to share and to comment. Bye bye.